Good morning, brothers and sisters. I hope our Creator is keeping you well and safe. It is currently 10:18 a.m. Central Standard Time on February the 2nd. We are looking at our air quality over here, looking at nitrous dioxide, and we are looking at this looks to be our high point here in Canada, and it looks like we're looking at 45 meters cubed. As we come down here into the United States, oh yeah, Los Angeles has got a high point of about 39. I seen it twitching over there. New York is looking at 9209, New York, New Jersey area. So please take precautions. You are right about at the max on our scale. So we get down here into Monterrey, just in between that and Piedras Negras, we're looking at 3549. And in Southern Africa, down in South Africa, we have Pretoria. Just east of that, we're looking at 31.81 meters cubed. The rest of Africa and South America and Australia is looking halfway decent. Up here in Apatity, we're looking at 4803. Here are your numbers for Finland. St. Petersburg in Russia, we're looking at 48.22. Moscow is 51.07. But if we tap on just north of it, we are going to be a wee bit higher, if it'll actually give it to me. And just north of Moscow, we're looking at 65.54 meters cubed. And the rest of Europe is not looking too bad. England is looking okay. Ireland, Scotland, you guys are doing all right. Brussels, you're looking at 2848. So we're not looking too awfully bad until we venture east. Over here in Tehran, we are looking at 210 meters cubed. That is over double maximum. That goes off the charts by double, over double. I actually tapped on it and I got it to about 220 at one point. So they are quite high. Looking over here at Calcutta is about 133 meters cubed. Again, that's off the charts. Let's check here just south of Ahmedabad, where they're registering 69.22 and we're getting 114. Goodness gracious. Well, make that 118. Yeah, buddy. New Delhi is registering 110, but I bet we can get that one higher too if we actually just bring her down just a wee. Yep, 118, 127. Goodness gracious. Off the charts. And right smack in between Barnaul and Abakan, we are looking at 248 meters cubed. That is 2.5 times off the chart. That is insane numbers, folks. Well, I'm a little scared to tap on this little bugger right here. 122. These are insane numbers, brothers and sisters. As we come over here into China, we can see that Handan is showing 93.54. Tokyo is showing 81.79. Shanghai is showing 60.44. Anywhere you see where it's red, basically, red is bad. That is not good at all. And Bangkok, Thailand is showing 104.64 meters cubed. Down here in Kuala Lumpur, it's showing 104.57, but let's drop a little pin on it and see if it goes any higher. Oh, 113. I saw 113. 114. Yeah, a little bit off, but either way, those are astronomical numbers. Now moving on to PM 2.5, as we can see here, Canada and North America all together in general is looking pretty decent. Here in Colombia, we're looking at 142 meters cubed. Let's kind of zoom in a little bit and see what that's close by. Florencia. So if you are southeast of Florencia in Colombia or know anyone that is, tell them to take precautions. That's 143 meters cubed. Those are insane numbers. Now don't forget, anything over 10 meters cubed severely increases your chance of lung cancer. The rest of South America and Australia and Madagascar are all looking pretty good. As we get into here over into Africa, this is definitely the bad region. If you are between Porto Nova and Enugu, we're looking at 135 meters cubed. So take precautions if you are over here in Africa at all. Any numbers, again, above 10, you should definitely be trying to take precaution. Less time outside in it. And as we can see here, most all of Europe is actually looking pretty good for PM 2.5, except for over here in Milan. Well, I'm telling you, all them models doing their little show week and stuff, yeah, they've been getting hammered with it, man. Poor Italy and all your times. Please pray for the people over here, because a lot of times these guys are just lit up. As we venture over into India, look at northern India again, folks. My gosh. Calcutta, we're looking at 122 meters cubed, and it is going to be like that just about everywhere up in these red regions. It's going to be triple digits all along the way. So if you happen to know anybody in northern India, or if you are in northern India, please take precaution. You have very high nitrous dioxide levels and very high PM 2.5 levels. We get over here into China, where if you are just southeast of Handan, Handan's registering 119, but we're looking at 142 meters cubed. We're going to do a quick little rundown through our ozone. We are now checking out our ozone. If you're in northern Canada or even in southern Canada, goodness gracious, please take note of the map and kind of get a feel for where you live, and you can kind of see where you're at. We're just going to kind of skim through this. Alaska's definitely getting hammered, and it comes all the way down to Canada. We're getting that Arctic blast kind of pushing things down into the United States. So be careful as we venture over here into, let's go over into Europe. And here's what we're looking like for Europe. England, you guys are ducking out of that, you lucky buggers. But then over here in Romania, Hungary, Slovakia, Poland, Belarus, Ukraine, we do have some higher numbers here. We're definitely going to be in the 400s over here. In fact, I'll just drop one right in the middle of Ukraine. Let's see what we got. 404. Absolutely. Kazakhstan, you're going to be in the 400s. Mongolia, oh boy, let's go check them out. Now, if you happen to be over here in Mongolia or into northern China, where you will definitely have some higher numbers. Mongolia's looking at 448 right here in this region. But look at over here in Russia, folks. Now, this is all Russia. Look at Russia out here in this little peninsula right here. 484. We are looking at high numbers. So anyone in this region, you are definitely in the middle of an ozone action day. Actually, it's a total overall air quality day from everything combined. Think about this. If your ozone layers are 484 units of measurement, nitrous dioxide levels are off the charts, your PM 2.5 levels are high. I mean, you're breathing this junk in. That is stuff we need to take into consideration, folks. So please stay safe out there. And remember that love is the only way forward. I'm working on a video where I think I have an explanation for that back pressure on the Earth as we see in the geomagnetosphere charts. And I'm currently working on it right now. So you guys stay safe out there. And remember, you're loved. Love is the only way forward.